Hello, Insiders! I am very excited to talk with you today about our latest product release. Our August v76 release contains exciting features and enhancements. First, our application has been updated with a fresh, clean look that allows our users to focus on and get the most out of our data and intelligence. Next, we have made enhancements around connections. You can build targeted lists using your strongest connections, and you can find the right decision maker at a company by leveraging your connections. Next, we have made changes to our static watch lists, where now you can group companies and people into one watch list. And lastly, we have made enhancements to our autocomplete functionality and global search. Let's dive into these features. Here's the first look into our new design for InsideView in the standalone or mashup. As you can see, there's more color embedded throughout. We've moved the global search to the top of the application and made a few other design changes in the look and feel. Next, I will cover some of the connection-related enhancements. You will see updates to the connection filters in both the list build criteria and in the People tab. We've grouped connections by type. Under People in list building, you have the option to connect through people you know or people your coworkers know. These are the strongest connection types. These first-degree connections can also be expanded further out with the option to include your second-degree connections. The result is a list build of companies or people to whom you have the most connections to. In the People tab, we have also included the new connection filters to help you find executives by leveraging your most relevant connections. Next, I'll discuss the changes we made to our static watch lists. We have removed the concept of company and people watch lists. Instead, we have consolidated them to allow users to include both companies and people in one list. Your existing people watch list will now contain a section to add companies, as you can see here. The same applies to your existing company watch list, where you will have the option to add people to that same list. You can also rename your watch list into something meaningful. When you follow an executive, now you will have the option to assign them to a specific watch list. The value here is that you can create categorized lists of companies and people based on the criteria that meet your needs. In the end, based on your license type, you will still be eligible to have the same total number of companies and people. The difference is that now you can control how to distribute them between your watch lists. For example, a team user can still follow 1,000 companies and 200 executives in total. Last but not least are the enhancements made to our autocomplete and global search. Autocomplete is even faster and more precise than ever. For each character that I enter, the search is functioning and returning instant results. The results are even more precise and require only a few keywords to come up with the right suggestions. Again, the end result is faster and more precise suggestions. This is great in situations where you meet someone at an event and perhaps only remember their first name and their initial of their last name. Even with this little information, you can still find the right company or person. This wraps up the highlights of our August release. For more information or training, please visit our new release page, send us an email, or visit us in our InsideView community. Thank you for watching.